Hello students, today you are doing Amazing Lesson for Life. Okay, this is your book of class 7. Okay, a book of moral values means moral science. Okay, good manners, etc. Here is written. Today you are doing it. Okay, this is second page of your book, and this is contents. Please note it. This is contents of your book. Contents is given. Wisdom to all. Social service, reading, a good habit, friendship. This is the chapters. Okay, please note it. Okay, your first chapter is wisdom to all. Do you know wisdom to all? Wisdom means what? Wisdom means intelligence. Wisdom means intelligence. INTE double LIGENCE. Intelligence. Intelligence to all. Wisdom means intelligence to all. Which type of intelligence is said here? Today I am going to discuss about it. Please note it. Please see it. Okay. God has bestowed a part of His wisdom. You know, God has a bestowed. Bestowed means what? You know, God is bestowed, means the giver. Bestowed means provider. God has provided a part of His wisdom on all the creatures. Every creatures, are very clever, and He has good qualities. God has bestowed a part of His wisdom on all the creatures. He has made His creation self-sufficient. Okay, self-sufficient. He has made the creation. He has given them the power to look after themselves and survive in the universe. Everybody survive in the universe. Who made the universe? God has made the universe. Each creator has the basic instinct. Do you know instinct what means? Once I'm not writing the meaning on the book, because this is new book, and you just I'm telling you the meaning of the word. You can note it. Okay, instinct. I'm not writing here. Instinct means what? Do you know instinct? Instinct means especially a desirable one. Instinct means especially a desirable one. INSTINCT. Instinct. Okay, each creature has the basic instinct to feed itself and find a shelter. Okay, God has made us. God has made us, and we find the food, fire, and we need food, fire, and rest. Okay, so every person find a shelter, find a food, find a rest, each and everything. No wonder that each creature acts only as far as it needs to act for its survival. Imagine a little bird building a nest on a tree. You know very well, bird. We made house, building, okay, bungalow, etc. In this way, bird also make the uh, make the nest. This is nest of bird. Okay, we live in a house, but bird live in nest. Okay, some animal live in cave. Okay, so imagine a little bird building a nest on a tree. How imagine they made a beautiful nest. Okay, on the tree. Yeah, this is the extraordinary work of the bird. Okay, and she is very clever, because she she has not she is not trained. In spite of she made the nest on the tree, she did the extraordinary work on the tree, because she has made the nest. How clever is placed of twigs one upon the other for making a cozy nest for its and its fledgling. Here, fledgling means what? Nestling. Okay, don't confuse of hard word. Fledgling means nestling. This is nestling. Okay, bird made extraordinary work. She made a fledgling. Fledgling means nestling. This is the extraordinary work. It is a little wonder that each bird builds a different type of nest according its naturally ability and need. She did not any. She is not trained. She did not get any training from the institute. In spite of she is making a beautiful nest. How she is extraordinary work of the bird. Some of them appear to be work of art. She is a work of art. How she made it? Okay, people collect them and decorate their homes with them. People collect them, okay, and decorate their homes with them. We know very well people collect it and decorate their homes with them. Okay, today I discuss. Today I have taught you from here to here. Next class I will discuss from here. Okay, please note it. Okay.